What's up guys, Crazzy Snapper is back in the studio and we're making some handles today. Why don't you stick around and check it out. I got this extruder. It came with the slab roller we got for the studio. Got these 3 mugs here that I'm gonna test this extruder out. Came with a few dies. I'm gonna pump out some handles and see how they turn out. Made this one a little bit earlier. One more handle to make. I like this mug. Kind of unique shape. What do you think? Big mug, big handle? Let's see what we can do here for this guy. Probably roll out a little bit bigger handle. Grab your extruder. Go a little bit bigger. Try to get it nice and straight before I smash it with the roller. Roll it, let it get straightened out, huh? Let us roll this baby out, huh? It is a magnificent handle, if I say so myself. Straighten it out, make sure she's looking good. Nip off one end. Now I will size her up. How big do you like this, huh? What are you thinking? All the way to the bottom? Yeah, I don't know. Maybe we'll try here. I like to get it here. I think that'll look good. Score it up. Take it. Go a different way. Down, backwards. Roughen it up. Flip it around to the other side. Make sure it sticks well. Go back to your piece. Hit it a couple of times to score it up. Make sure it sticks well. Hit both pieces with some slip. Then take your piece. Line it up right there. Looks good. I like that spot there. I like to probably get the bottom on first. See how that looks, and then line up the top one before I smush it into it. Technique I like to do, just push, hold from the inside, gently push into it. Fans out a little bit. You can reshape it if you don't like that wide look. Any imperfections in your handle, pull. Try to smooth them out now. And we are getting so close to the end here. This is gonna be nice. Now I'm gonna hopefully cover these up so I can trim the bottoms tomorrow. We all saw what happens when you let them sit out overnight. If you watched my other video, trimming Valentine's Day mug failure. I'm gonna do one more ball and smush it down for the thumb rest. And then I think I am done for the evening. I might go with a big ball here. My battery's dying, so I need to hurry. Push. This is the best thumb rest I've seen in a long time. And there we have it. Handles on. ready to drink from. I might come back and just reset those a little bit to get the right angle that I like. But that should wrap these up then, guys. Let them dry out, and then see about glazing these. I want to thank everybody for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you like the channel, and we'll see you next week.